Hello, my name is Hayley and this hackathon I worked with Matt Esposito on creating a phone app game. It's called Laid Back Backpack, and the premise is that the player is backpacking and they're going on a multi-day backpacking trip, and so they're going to stop every day along the way and visit tent sites, and at that tent site they can go fishing in some various capacity. The interesting part is that we introduced a real-time element, so you have to actually wait as the user for your player to make it to the next tent site before you can really do anything. So part of the waiting is the fun/relaxing part, is just, oh, you have the anticipation of coming back to the app when it's finally time, is the idea anyway. So let's get right into it. There's a start button, and the user is prompted with a name input, so let's say Hayley. We save it to local data on the phone or Windows, any OS, it's saved locally, which is pretty exciting. And then to prove it, here it is right there, being rendered later on. The formatting's a little wonky, because Unity is a little hard to work with. So this is introducing kind of the premise. We need to hike 8 miles today to get to the first tent site, and it's going to take most of the day in real time. Let's go. So now we have a countdown timer, and ideally this would be like a little hiker animation saying we're almost there, and when there's less than an hour left, Jess is getting hungry. So finally, when the timer is up, then you would arrive at the tent site, and yeah, you made it. Ooh, we finally arrived. Jess is pretty hungry, there's Jess, and now we can go fishing. And this is the part that Matt built. It's spear fishing, so you have to throw spears at fish to catch them, and we have a count how many fish have been caught. And they are randomly generated, and the amount of spears is also just unlimited. So that's our game. Plenty of work to be done to improve it, but it has a lot of potential, and it was really fun to work on. And that's it.